Hello, beautiful friends. I'm excited about today's video because I am slowly taking down my Christmas, but today I'm going to show you some Valentine hacks that can make it easy to go from Christmas to Valentine's Day using some of your same stuff. It's all red, right? I got my hat on, I got my shirt on, and I'm excited to flip over. So what I'm going to do is take you through a couple things. In this video, stick with the video because I'm going to show you some things we did last Valentine's Day. That'll be some easy, quick Valentine hacks. And I'm going to highlight those things so that you can use some of them in your decorating. And then the next video, Lynette is going to show you how she does her tree for Valentine's Day. It's going to be great. So stick with me as I show you how I'm going to go from Christmas to Valentine's Day. Can't wait. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take down this Christmas picture, which I love. I bought that this year and I loved it in my bathroom. But it's time for it to go back to storage. And because I did these bows, which it's falling just a little, but I stuck these up with painter's tape. And so that way it won't mess up my paint. But I have this heart and I'm just gonna stick this up here and see how this looks. And I'm gonna leave the bow. You know, Lynette's love for bows has gotten me to love bows too. And I think that switches that wall very quickly. Next thing I'm gonna do is get rid of my complete Christmas stuff. Another white tree. So I'm gonna take these down. And I have more stuff to replace. Lynette just got me this as one of my Christmas presents, so I'm gonna see if I can use it in here. I'm gonna put it on the top of the shelf. And I've got this love sign that I have had for a long time. I'm gonna use it. And I have this pretty rose ball that I think is just so pretty. I'm gonna stick that there. I'm gonna take down my globe because it's Christmas. I'm gonna take down my snowflake. I'm gonna put this Be Mine right there. So I'm just gonna show you, I just replaced a couple things. I've used a lot of mugs in my decorating and I just love them. So I use them all over. So I had Valentine mugs. I put that little rose in it, that's actually a mug. And then on my candle, I left my red around my tissue holder, and on my candle I just put a Valentine ribbon that I had. And I'll leave the red on there. I might wrap the toilet paper to be decorative, and that I will show you a clip of that I did last year. Super easy. It just makes your guest bathroom a little bit more welcoming and fun. I took out my Christmas hand soap and I just added my old one and just put a heart on it. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to take these snowflakes off and I'm gonna add hearts. Last thing I did was put the decals on the mirror. I use those decals around my house a lot just to decorate a little bit extra on mirrors or on my glass windows by my door. I also changed out my towel just to not be Christmas. So, and my rug is red and white. That's the one I had in here for Christmas. So I get to leave it because it's red and white. So you can do this with any colors, anything. If you have gold, silver, you can add a pop of red, you can add pink, whatever it is you have if you don't have a lot of red. I have a lot of red, but a lot of people use other colors and it all works. So just think about how you can switch it easily for the season. I know Valentine's Day comes up fast and then we move on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch for our clips from last season's video because we have a lot of tips. I will link those videos to this one also, but also watch the highlight clips. And don't forget to hit subscribe and like and comment on what you think about our decoration tips. And be sure to watch Lynette's video. The next video is going to be decorating your Christmas tree, flipping it over to Valentine's. So that's going to be a good one. On some mugs that I'm going to switch out the Christmas mugs right here. I'm going to switch these two out. So last Christmas I had the Mary above my stove on the stone, and I switched it to the Valentine's heart that I just actually used in my bathroom. I'm going to show you another quick Christmas changeover. So for Christmas I put these snowflakes in my lampshade. They're basically just snowflakes from the Dollar Tree, and I just taped them in there, and you can see them through, which is so cute. But I'm going to take these out, and I bought these dollar hearts. They have little stickers on the back. I'm going to try these in there, see how it goes. I'll get back to ya. These have little stickers on the back, so I'm just popping them into my lampshade, and check it. You can see right through there. There we go. We went from snowflakes to hearts, and I don't even think it took me 20 seconds. So for Christmas, I took wrapping paper and put it on everything. If you saw my videos, bought this heart wrapping paper on Amazon, and I'm going to cover my tray, and I'm also going to cover my mantle over my fireplace. I will show you the finished product. Here's my tray with the wrapping paper on it. Turned out super cute, just changes it up a little. Then I had these flowers in this vase, and I found this at Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna switch it out. Hey, I just had these little treat bags that I must have bought a few years back, and I wanted to do something with this candle and this lantern. So I just trimmed it, and I'm just gonna wrap it around that because I think it looks super cute with the candle lit. Well, that looks cute. It just gives it a little bit of a heart vibe. Just got pillow covers from Amazon. One little tip that I wanted to pass along is the bags you can buy at any store now. They have the reusable bags. I usually buy, if I don't have a ton of decorations, like for Valentine's Day I don't have a ton, so I will put all my Valentine decorations back in this bag, so then it's easy to find in my basement and I know what's in it. So it's just something to think about. I have my fall stuff in some. My Christmas has a few, but I've got too many totes for Christmas. But it's nice to have the different holiday bags to store your items in. Just a little tip. I put a bow on my door with a Dollar Tree tablecloth. And I did that at Christmas, and I just thought it was easy and cute, and it's waterproof, which is nice because it's plastic. Put decals on my windows, hearts. Thank you for joining me for my easy Valentine hack ideas. I hope you got inspired to do some decorating, and please be sure to hit subscribe, like, and comment on our videos. Let us know what you think about the decorating ideas, and please be sure to go out, find your passion today.